Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project and DIY Tube video community. Got another giveaway today. We're going to have a giveaway every week, and today it is a really nice Landnics Super Sports stainless steel water bottle from Landnics. This one happens to be full of water because we use them heavily. This is a double wall thermos stainless steel sports water bottle with carrying handle, which Melanie and I have heavily used, and well, we scuffed it up a bit, but it hasn't been dinged up, which is surprising because we have had this all over the place. It is a full true stainless steel double-walled thermos bottle, which is great, and the only plastic is in the lid. The bottle itself is pure stainless steel in and out, and I have had this in a hot car in summer and it kept the water fresh and cool, which is great. I've also had it in the winter and it didn't freeze, so it'll keep your hot hot and your cold cold. Now these are, well, what more can I say? They're really awesome. So I have one here for you for free. Alright, so again, go on over to DIY Tube video community on this particular video, and I'll put the link down below based on wherever this is that you find me, and say I want the stainless steel water bottle, and I'll put those words down below so you can copy and paste if you'd like, and you'll be entered to win, for a chance to win, brand new, still taped in the box, the Landnics Super Sports stainless steel water bottle, just like this. So go on over there, say I want the stainless steel water bottle, and you'll be entered, and a computer will draw up a random number, and we'll count out the comments, and whichever number is chosen will be the winner. And winner will be announced in about a week from now. So we'll always do about 7 or 10 days in between, depending on when I get to it and what's going on. But there it is, guys. Go on over to DIY Tube video community if you haven't done so already, and get yourself an account and say I want the stainless steel water bottle, and see you all over there, guys. It's Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World, the Off-Grid Project, and DIY Tube video community.